Okay, today everybody we're going to do some Uno Fitness, and you can do Uno Fitness inside or outside. Since it's a nice day today, we're outside. You have to have a chart. A red is an upper body strength exercise. A green card is jumping jacks or scissors jumps, which is good for your heart. A yellow card is mountain climbers or jog in place, another one that's good for your heart. And then a blue card is good for abdominal fitness. So abdominal strength, that would be curl-ups or crunchy frogs. So to play this game, you can play by yourself or you can play with friends. When it's your turn, you're going to draw a card. And I have a 9, okay, that's yellow. So on my chart, I've got to do 9 mountain climbers or jog in place for 9 times. So I'm going to do mountain climbers. Okay, so I finished my 9 mountain climbers, and now I'm going to draw a card, or if you were playing with a friend, they could draw the card, but both of you do an exercise. Uh-oh, I got a reverse card. If you get a reverse card, that means you got to walk backwards for 1 lap. Now, since we're not at school, I'm going to walk backwards from this cone, or you could put a toy there, a ball, and I'm going to walk backwards to the other cone. Of course, I've got to look where I'm going, and you have to watch out for each other. So I'm back. Gonna draw. I have a 5 that's blue, so I can do curl-ups or crunchy frogs. Since I'm outside, I'm gonna do crunchy frogs. You can move to the grass if you want to. Make sure you keep that belly tight. So that's my 5 crunchy frogs. I have a green 6, so I'm going to do 6 jumping jacks. Here I go. A skip card. So if you get a skip card, you have to skip 1 lap around. It could be a lap around inside in your house, in your room. But again, I'm going to skip around my cones. If we were at school, we'd skip a whole lap around the gym. I'm back. I have a green card, a number 1. This time I'm going to do scissors jumps. That's pretty easy. Draw again. Blue, 7 curl-ups or 7 crunchy frogs. And you just keep working out for about 15 minutes or so. Again, you can work by yourself or you can work with a friend. So this is called Uno Fitness. So we're going to get a close-up of the chart again to remind you.